What is the highest mileage vehicle on Autotrader right now?
So here it is, 497,000 miles on a 2015 Mercedes Viano. That is a 10-year-old vehicle that's done 497,000 miles. It has been serviced every 10,000 miles for the last 4.5 years, and it has been an airport transport vehicle. So it looks like it genuinely has done that number of miles. My goodness, 500,000 miles in a 10-year-old vehicle. It says a lot for Mercedes. I don't know, maybe it's had 10 engines in that time as well. But that is the highest genuine mile vehicle on Autotrader right now. There are a few listed with bigger numbers, but then they look like typos because they'll say 680,000 miles, and in the description, it'll say 68,000 miles. So I believe this is genuinely the highest mileage vehicle you can buy today on Autotrader. 497,000 miles. Thank you for watching.